Hi everyone. Hi everybody. I greet you all. I greet everybody. I greet everybody. Just have I have some word to give to the children of the world, the children of Pharaoh and Jezebel. I have this word to give you people. Yeah. You know, since you are son of Pharaoh and Jezebel, so you people need to hear this word. I just want to start from my country, which is called Benin. Benin, when I come from, now I want just talk so. I will speak am for two language. Benin, English and Edo. Come, Benin people. Why be say una no get shame for eye? Shame e no dey una eye. Shame first e no dey una eye. Fear of God e no dey una eye. Fear of human being e no dey una eye. Respect una no get. Una see say una lack of sense. Why I say una lack of sense? Because who be sons and Pharaoh children na so dey lack of sense. Why be say everywhere wey dem mention una name, una come be say na una be danger. Una know wetin be danger, that is red blood. Una be danger. Why? Na una be red. Benin people, una be danger. Followed by the ultra, all the small tribe wey no get head. The small tribe wey no get head, wey no get wetin dem wan use to do. Followed by Ishan, Robo, Afema, or whatever where they come from. Una be very disgrace to the whole world, to the whole Nigeria, to the whole Benin. Una be disgrace. Una no wan learn. E be like say una carry una hair hit ground, or una carry una hair hit motor, so that as una hit una hair for motor, una head come to normal. Benin people, make una dey shame. Anywhere wey una dey, everybody dey know una. Other people go dey do something, you no go hear their voice, you no go hear say any mess dey, but una corrupt, una make sure that mess dey follow una everywhere. Why be say una no dey reason for una life? Una no dey reason. The reason wey una get na the reason of dead human being, na the reason of people wey lack of sense, na the reason of people wey be say they too know, and the reason of people wey be say they think say they are after Jesus na them, and whereas una be nothing upon nothing. Una no get shame, una no get respect. If I say na illiterate na worry na too much, na say na person dey curse una. That's it, that illiterate e too much on una brain. Both who go school, both who no go school, all of them are illiterate. Why I say all of una na illiterate? If una refer the word to the person wey talk am, na una head, or to una generation family, na una dey curse, because una no see who talk to una. Now I say me I can't tell una. Why be say Benin people, una don start to dey naked una sef for Facebook, una don start to dey naked una sef for YouTube, una don start to dey naked una sef for Instagram, una don start to dey naked una sef for every angle. So now no pint, now no shame. Person go wear Pinocchio pint, he go put in nyash for ground, he go start to dey craze. Later you go dey call Jesus. When small thing go happen to you, now you go start to dey call Jesus. When Jesus say cover your nakedness, cover your body, because when you marry, your body belong to your husband. Una say una no, una wan talk to mad people for Facebook. This small money wey dem dey give una, e don cause madness, and that madness no cure till Jesus go come before una go get cure. Since una mother and una dad no fit cure una, they don blind, so they sef no get common sense, because they hit their head for store too, as una sef hit una head for store. That's why they no fit talk to una. All of una dey craze for Facebook, all of una dey mad for Facebook. Una no dey even get shame no dey una eye again. Una dey mad for Facebook, dey naked una sef. If you wey dey naked yourself, you dey tell dem say you wan man, you dey tell them say how they take dey meet men, how they take dey sleep with men, how they go take fuck men. If you know say you sabi fuck, you sabi do all those things, why you no marry? Why man no put you for house? You see say you carry your hair hit ground, that's why man no put you for house. You see say your soto blind, that's why man no put you for house. Person wey toto blind, wey toto dey leak, man no fit see, you no go see man wey go put am for house. The man enter inside, see say that toto blind or the toto too dey leak, he go leave am. You come say okay, since you no see man wey put you, okay, make you just come out and finish am for Facebook and finish am for YouTube, you know me. Listen, if you die na hellfire you dey go. Hellfire dey wait for you. But the people wey dey clap hand follow una, dey tell una say make una go ahead, una fit do wetin una like, na your body you dey take dey do sacrifice. You dey do sacrifice for your mother and your father. You dey do sacrifice for them, how they go take follow you go hellfire? Since they no fit talk to you. You dey do sacrifice for your family, how all of una go go perish in hellfire? You carry yourself bring her come out for Facebook, carry that your smelly toto bring her come out for Facebook. You go put am for mouth, you say you be big fool, person wey lack of sense. And that's all of una wey dey naked una say una too ugly. That's why una too ugly. Una no dey look una sef for mirror, make una see una start from nose. From nose start from una bald eye. Nose no good, bald eye no good. Una body be like man. I no blame the men wey dem no put una for house, because una no get wetin dem go fit put come out. The things wey men go bring come out say this one na my wife. When you don do all those kind finish now, naked yourself, you come say make one stupid man, you go come call, you go say he wan marry you, he love you. You say all of una go perish in hellfire. All of una go perish in hellfire. Both people wey dey clap hand for una, say na una body na dey bring come out. Those people wey dey clap, what they say they don bring their body come out. They dey clap hand for una, so make una, so that if una die, una go hellfire. Una go die, una go burn for them. People dey laugh una. You dey abroad, you dey naked yourself for Facebook. You dey no be say na Nigeria you dey, na you dey abroad, dey naked yourself. So abroad wey be say you fit work, you fit even see cleaning work to work, you fit even see house to dey do everything, follow the help dem dey cook. You say no, you say that that's your blind toto, then you wan come dey put for Facebook. Yes, na person wey toto blind, wey toto don throw away water, wey water don full everywhere. That's why you don't see man wey marry you. That's why you dey do all those rubbish. You need to enter house. Una need to enter house, make una dey shame of una sef. Make una don shame. People wey better, wey real better, wey fine, wey God create, nothing remain for their body. You know they see them on Facebook. You know they see them, they do anyhow. They palm their map, put them for house. Now only that man they chop that thing, not be the thing wey they put for Facebook. Because now I don't see man wey put una for house now. Even though you get pikin or you not get pikin, you know me. The man wey born, when you born for, it just mistake. I say marry you when you don't enter pikin enter. What is the poor man will do? When I enter house, stupid people. People wey not get shame for eye. You are not get shame for eye. No respect for una. Everybody they swear for all Benin because of the nuisance things wey una dey do, because of lack of sense wey una not get, lack of brain wey una not get. YouTube help me share this thing, go meet all those stupid people wey dey naked. Both the one wey dey Spain, both the one wey dey UK. You dey UK wey be say they give you money, you born throw away. Since your man born you born throw away, you sef still be born throw away. You still be born throw away. And if they say me they look at all of una details now, una wey dey perform this thing, they use Benin name, say they corrupt. They go see say one part of una na Urobo, one part of una na Isha. Now come they say una be Benin, make God destroy una, make the devil destroy una quick, make una go meet am. Stupid animal.